Okay, in this example, I'm going to walk you through how to set up an equation in terms of width and length. And we're going to use our equation to solve for the actual width in centimeters. So the problem says that the perimeter of the entire rectangle is 66 centimeters. If we look at this rectangle, we have the width on each side, and we have the length. The perimeter is when you add up all of the sides together. It's the length of the whole outside of the rectangle. So we'll label this as perimeter is equal to length plus width plus the other length plus the second width. And we can actually simplify that. If we have two L's, we can write it as 2L. And since we have two W's, we can label that as 2W. Now, the question says that the perimeter is 66, so I'm going to put in 66 for P. It also says that the length is 20 centimeters, so I'm going to put in 20 for L. And then we don't know what W is, so we'll just leave that alone. Now, we have to solve this for W. So this is our equation. And now to solve for W, I would multiply the 2 times the 20. And I'm trying to isolate this W so I can solve for it. So I want to subtract 40 from both sides. So that's going to give me 26 is equal to 2W because I subtract 40 from both sides. Now, to get W by itself, I have to divide both sides by 2. And so I get that my width is 13 centimeters. So I know my length given to me in the problem is 20 centimeters. And I just figured out that my width is 13 centimeters. Now let's check to see if it adds up, because the perimeter is supposed to be 66. So if I add 60 and 60 and 13 and 13, when I add up all the sides, that definitely gives me 66. So this works.